Samsung is expected to introduce a great lineup of products, including foldable phones and wearables next year. The launch of Samsung's next foldable phone is a few months away, and the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will be the top-of-the-line model. Once again, Samsung has a history of launching its Galaxy Z Fold series in August or September every year. The first phone in the series was released in September 2019 and in fourth in August 2022, so Galaxy Z Fold 5 will likely arrive in August or early September 2023. We're just had our first information reported about next year's Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 handset. There is also speculation about a better resolution which will improve the display quality. The device is also expected to be more durable, and some more features such as a better camera, connectivity options, and a bigger processor are also rumored. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. We want the phone to match the camera configuration of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, which based on past from probably will have the company's best snappers. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is rumored to arrive with an extravagant 7.6-inch 19.30cm display, along with a resolution of 1768x 2208 pixels. The Z Fold 5 has a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, and the S22 Ultra has the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor. So Z Fold 5 has the more up-to-date newer processor. The mobile application processor is a next-generation chip that is expected to be unveiled at the end of 2022. A report out of South Korea that mentions specs details. For the cameras, the Fold 5 will reportedly pack Samsung ISO's GN3 50-megapixel wide camera. The GN3 sensor features 1.0 micrometers sensor, meanwhile the selfie camera will feature a 12-megapixel sensor. And these should be both upgrades over the Fold 4 cameras, but this year's model will also have a 50-megapixel primary camera. Galaxy Z Fold 5 is going to deliver for photography enthusiasts as well. Photographers will be able to use the phone for portraits and professional photography. Some features on the camera setup could include digital zoom, auto flash, face detection, and touch to focus. Moreover, one can up their selfie game and look great on video calls. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.